Let me ask you a real question. If you spent $2,000 on your last song, how long would it take to make that back from Spotify? For most artists, that's years. And that's not because the song is bad. It's because most artists release music with no recoup plan. They drop the song, they hope for streams, and then they repeat the cycle, spending more money, waiting longer, and burning out. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make back the money that you invested in every single song by turning each release into a revenue engine. And once you see this shift, you'll never release music the same way again. So let me be clear, streaming is important. Streams build brands, streams build awareness, streams build long-term equity, but streams is not cash flow. At roughly $0.003 to $0.005 per stream, you need hundreds of thousands of plays just to break even on a professional release. So if your only plan is, I'll make it back on Spotify, you're playing the slowest game possible. And here's the real danger. When artists don't have cash flow, they stop investing. They stop running paid ads, they stop upgrading their visuals, they stop taking professional shoots, they stop experimenting, they stop releasing music consistently, which is why most artists' careers stall. And this really just requires a shift in mindset. And I'm gonna call this one song equal one business. So here's the shift that changes everything. Every song should be treated as a mini business, not in a soulless way, but in a smart way, a sustainable way. A song is not just a file on Spotify. It's really attention, it's distribution, it's content fuel. And this is the part most artists miss. Being an artist is literally a content generation hack. You are in the best position possible to make the most money as you can online. Why? Because you can make unlimited music. And from making unlimited music, you have the ability to make a lot of money as a musician. For example, every song creates content automatically. Every song brings new attention, and every song points back to the same product. That means you don't need a new product every single release. You can have one ecosystem and let every song feed it. That's how you fund your growth instead of draining your bank account. So here's the framework. Every song should plug into a simple funnel. So the song gets attention, the attention goes somewhere you own, and then that place monetizes your music in multiple ways. Not one offer, it's multiple paths leading to the same place. And artists who really adopt this mindset stop struggling. Let me show you exactly how to do this. So the first thing you're going to need is a landing page. Why? Because every song needs a central hub, not just a Spotify link, not just a link tree, a landing page that captures emails, sells merch, promotes live streams, hosts brand collaborations, and allows you to retarget visitors with ads. Because here's the truth. If your music doesn't lead somewhere you own, you're pretty much renting the attention. So your landing page is where fans turn into assets. For example, you drop a song and then the content drives traffic, and then that traffic hits the page and the page monetizes it. And keep in mind that this page does not change every release, only the song changes, but the funnel stays the same. Now, number two is merch, and I'm talking print on demand or drop shipping. So let's talk merch properly. Merch is not about fashion. Merch is about identity. Your song already has a theme, it has lyrics, it has a feeling, it has a vibe, and it has a visual world. That's merch. So print on demand really lets you sell inventory, drop limited items, test ideas fast. And another thing you can look into is dropshipping. You could quickly set up a Shopify store and get some products up there. And here's the math that most artists are ignoring. One hoodie can make you more money than 100,000 streams. Now imagine this, you drop 10 songs a year, all 10 point back to the same merch store. That's building and creating leverage. You're making money that you can now funnel back into your music. And this is what most artists are missing. They do not have a way to monetize their audience. By the way, if you are liking this video, I made a course that walks you through how to build your music career step by step. In the course, you'll find 40 plus videos that I've never posted on YouTube and don't plan on posting it here at all. It's basically a fast track to making it as a musician and to start monetizing your music. So if you're interested in a streamlined course, check it out. It's going to be below this video. All right, number 3 is live streaming. So live streaming is one of the most underused tools in music, and it's pure leverage. For example, you have studio session, production breakdowns, listening parties, you do writing nights. So all these things you already do, you just don't monetize it. So for example, live streams can turn your viewers into supporters, and then they turn the supporters into super fans, and then it turns the super fans into recurring income. Think subscriptions, donations, super chats. Live streaming turns passive listeners into paying participants. And also these platforms like Twitch pays out a lot of money if you can build an audience. And again, you have unlimited content because you have unlimited music up here. So get into live streaming. Now, number 4 is you have live shopping. So TikTok, Instagram lives, you can do live shopping there. So once you have your merch store set up, you can do live shopping with some of the items on your store and then direct the traffic back to your landing page. So this is where things get modern. Live shopping is basically QVC for creators, and it works. You play the song, you talk about it, you drop the merch live, you bundle the offer, use scarcity and attention, and then guess what? You get conversions. And that's the best part. You don't have to use too much of your time. You just press go live, and when people join, you have conversations with them on the live and then drop your product. And then on top of that, you can run ads to these live. So now your song isn't just art, it's a traffic source. And did I mention it's instant money? Okay, so number 5 is brand deals and product placements. Again, a place where you have unlimited opportunities and potential to make money. And this is where real leverage kicks in. Brands don't care as much about streams as artists think. They care about attention, engagement, and audience fit. Every song creates music videos, short form clips, live stream moments, visual, inventory. That's brand placement. And once you have a landing page, a media kit, clear audience positioning, you're good. Brands will pay you to exist in their ecosystem. You don't need to be famous. You need to be organized. And the easiest way to create a media kit is to use CreatorJet. And I have a video already that walks you through how to use CreatorJet to build a media kit, and you can check it out right here. All right, number 6, and this is a bonus. It's access to you. Fans don't just want the song, they want proximity. Your process is valuable. They want to see how you mix your stems, how you create your samples. They want to see the behind the scenes. And again, each song gives you this opportunity to connect exclusively with your fans, and you can charge for it. I keep repeating myself here, but literally unlimited releases going to the same product and the same funnel. And that's what you call scalability. So let's put this all together. When you drop a song, you then make the content. That content then drives attention, and that attention hits your funnel. And then the funnel monetizes it in multiple ways. Now you can recoup faster, you can fund ads, you can upgrade your visuals, you can release more music, and the loop compounds. This is how artists stop struggling and start scaling. And I've been able to help many artists to build this system for themselves, as well as it's in the course. So go check that out. So if you're an artist who wants help building these systems, for example, the landing page, the funnels, the ads, the monetization, that's exactly what I do, because music is the engine, but the system is what makes it sustainable. If this hits, definitely subscribe to the channel. And if you know any other artists who needs this mindset shift, send this video to them, because this is how you stop losing money on your music and start funding your growth. So I hope this makes sense, and I hope you found value from this video. And if you like this video, I have tons more videos just like this one, and I'll see you over in the next video.